Hello and welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this class, we are going to learn the verb être. I hope you already know and heard this verb être. This is the first irregular verb that we learn in French. So we are going to start with this verb only, and we will learn in complete how the verb it is used in French and how we frame the sentences, how we ask the question with the verb être. So hope you will like this video and watch till the end and subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed yet. Okay. So être means to be, to be. We use it in present tense and we use in the present conjugation to make the phrases with like this. You can see je suis. We do the conjugations in French with the subjects. Subject pronouns we already covered in our short video. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elles. Okay, I will also let you know the meanings of these pronouns with the conjugations what meaning it is. So for example, être change into suis with je. With je we make je suis. Je suis means I am. Tu es, you are. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. We pronounced all these three will be a. On est, it is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. This is also you and this is also you. The difference between these two you is first one is informal and second one is formal, and first one is singular and second one is plural. Okay. Vous êtes, you all. Il, you are, you all are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, it is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you all are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Elles sont is for masculine or the masculine and feminine combination, and elles sont is only for the feminine. How you use in the negative sentences. In the negative, we add ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So our verb is suis here, so we will add je ne suis pas. I am not. Tu n'es pas. You are not. So here we don't add e because the next word is also starting with vowel. That's why we emit the first e and we put the apostrophe. Tu n'es pas. You are not. Il n'est pas. He is not. Elle n'est pas. She is not. On n'est pas. It is not. Nous ne sommes pas. We are not. Vous n'êtes pas. You all are not. Ils ne sont pas. They are not. Elles ne sont pas. Elles ne sont pas. They are not. And in the interrogative, how you will use? We use the inversion form. The inversion is when you write the verb first and the subject later. For example, if I will say suis-je, that means am I? Es-tu, are you? Est-il? Is he? Est-il? Est-elle? That means is she? Est-on? Is it? Sommes-nous? Is like are we? Êtes-vous? Are we? Are you? Sont-elles? Are they? Sont-elles? Are they for feminine? Okay. Now we will see the examples. Of course, always we use the examples to make you understand. Être plus adjectif. For example, vous êtes espagnol. Vous êtes espagnol? So you are Spanish. Être plus profession. Être and the plus profession. This is basically nationality instead of adjective. So, il est serveur. He is waiter. Elle est serveuse. She is waiter. So we add use because she is feminine. Être de when we talk about someone's origin. So vous êtes d'où? Where you come from? Je suis de Paris. I'm from Paris. So here we use je suis, that means I am. Okay, say it is, ce sont, these are. S'utilise avec un nom commun. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? So here again, is for is we use est, and if we add so, that means this is. Okay, and this is a question, so we will use is this. So qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? C'est un livre. This is a book. C'est une table. This is a table. Okay? Okay. C'est beaucoup. This is so much. C'est bien. It's well. C'est peu. It's very little, you can say. Okay? If somebody asks you the timing, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il means what is the time? So, il est 8 heures. Il est 8 heures. It is 8 o'clock. Attention please. So, in English we say I am 20 years old, but in French I say I have 20 years old. So we have to use different verb, that is avoir, and we will also see the conjugations of avoir in the next video. So je suis 20 ans is not correct. It should be j'ai 20 ans. So we already done this, how to use the être verbs. So this is the video for today on, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and bonne journée.